guys, today I'm recording a Mailtime and I get a lot of jammers, especially my friend XX Black Light. Just gonna quickly delete all these jammergrams. Being silly. Oh wow. Okay. Porch Twin, not the beta. Thanks.
Oh, I thought it was the beta one. I was like, why didn't you like scream? I thought like, what? You're crazy.
I really have to get rid of some jammergrams. This is crazy. Should I share my screen?
Yeah, please.
I meant to when I did a really two gifting wars with Emily this morning. But okay. Royal Tiara, thank you.
You're getting stamp with royal tiaras.
No, I'm not. Surely. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna do this.
I think they went out of stores. Yeah, they went out of stores, those ones.
Cool. I've already renovated a video. Stop away. Thank you.
By the way, I'm probably gonna change my username.
Thank you. A wishing wall is beta. Plus that costs money and stuff.
I changed my username on one of my other accounts.
Yeah. Really? Anyways, guys, so yes, Violent gifted me. I can't pronounce her name, and yeah, so I was gifting her a few things. Never gonna delete those. Pizza Invade. I love that username. Shout out to Pizza Invade.
You should make an account called Pizza Invasion.
Yeah. Sorry, Pizza Invade. I'm not gonna accept the whole neck pants. Please give me a shout out. Shout out to Diamond Love Girl 30. Sorry, yeah, Frankenstein mask, thank you.
I'm recycling all my bad items.
Oh, that's here's, will you marry me? Okay, joking. And he actually sent me a ring. Kinda creepy. I've got a secret admirer. Scary. Thanks for the elf helmet. Hey, Puppy Cuddlers, you entered my giveaway as well.
I put you in my Tamagotchi life, and you had a crush on my brother.
Excuse me?
Yeah.
Red 10 gallon hat.
You said don't worry about the egg thing.
Mint Foxy. Red clown mask, thank you. Wolf Wyatt, Feather Tail, thank you. I start to stop opening the gifts down now because it was so tempting.
I'm recycling all my animals and then getting them back.
Thank you. Yeah. I have no idea what's in these jammergrams, you know. Created Lockhartfur. Thank you. I can't. Larkspur. Cassandra, Reginald, and Top Hat. Thank you. I collect Top Hat people.
Oh, dude, I nearly have enough diamonds.
I lost a bet and had to send away one of my top hats. Sad. Sweetie 5432.
Why do you bet on AJ? How old are you? Oh yeah, I saw the party. Those were really cool. I really wanted to get them, but you know, I just.
Why do I keep clicking their names? It's getting. Oh, she just watched some other shit.
Oh my god, the AJ's birthday party's on. I'm gonna go buy it.
Pick Charm Night. My question is
depressing birthday.
Yeah, guys, how depressing is that birthday music? Kay mentioned me on a story. This is my friend Kayla. Sorry, I can't pronounce it. Diamond Eye Clip, thank you. I'm recording no time now, so I will grab any loss. Any loss in recording? No! I'll go over here. Okay, get back to the game. Wait, what am I doing? I think this will do. No, I'm being past here.
Oh, did you? I heard this thing, and if you like, in the pet games, you use your pets, and you have to like collect 100 of the golden things in your game, and then you get a pet effect. You know how some of the snakes have skulls like flowing around them.
Yeah. Oh, I just got a Christmas wreath necklace.
Wait, a crystal wreath necklace?
No. I was spending this gem with Cupid wings, so I got bored, and she thinks Cupid wings are like, oh my god. So I got gifted a few stuff. I thought that was nice. Arctic-Hood. I love Arctic-Hoods. I collect them too, probably. I'm gonna start collecting them.
Well, I have heaps.
Please send Arctic-Hoods. Red bow and arrows. Thank you. And the person I sent Cupid wings to, she's probably gonna keep them. Okay, thank you. Yep, once again I sent her more Cupid wings. Have scarf, thank you.
I just recycled all my Cupid wings, they're not good.
Hey, if you sent all of them to her, she would have sent you her long non-record.
Really?
She was thinking about doing it with me. You better believe it. Oh Lord, you're awesome. Okay. Stay creepy. You're staring. Yes! I actually really want these every star hats, so then I can like...
You can buy them at the summer carnival.
I know, but have you seen Woot Moo's look with her wings? Search in Woot Moo. I'll show you guys at the end. Halo, thank you.
I was about to say, no.
Okay.
Oh my!
She's so cute!
I have those shoes. In that color.
Cute. And it's got a long bow, thanks. Where, but it's there. Still, people, I'm pretty sure this is around the end of this mail time. These are the den gifts, I'm pretty sure. I'm just gonna pause. Okay, guys, I'm asking if there's any more. Yeah, like if there's any more gifts. I'm about to stop recording my Mailtime.
So you want me to say that?
Lost. Okay, I've got no last gift, yo. Finally. What's your wristband? Okay. I'd be like, if he has a long color, I'd be like, you're a color. That's my only option.
Naomi's calling me. Should I decline it?
Decline it, she's being crazy. Sorry, that was my sister that was trying to call my friend. So I should call, say park.
I think I want to name my name Kitty something. Because I like cats.
Okay, guys, I'm going to stop recording now. I'll see you later, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah, so bye guys, thanks for all the gifts, and yeah.